In a land of dangers, plant-eating animals are always at risk, and never more so than at the time of their birth. Out on the open, they are vulnerable, and there are few places to hide. But luckily, these little ones are born to run. On the African plains, a tawpi antelope welcomes a new life. And so begins a desperate struggle. The clock is ticking. The baby must learn to run. Already, other youngsters in the herd have found their feet. But for this little one, the timing of his birth couldn't have been worse. A cheetah is watching. She has little ones of her own, and for their survival, she must make a kill. Only a few minutes old, she puts up a good fight, but she can't outrun the fastest animal. One's lost, but others survive. All over the plains, similar struggles are playing out. Though some will have a happier ending. The mare cleans and dries her baby, trying to remove all scent of the birth before it's detected by a predator. It's instinct for baby runners to find their feet. In minutes, she'll be able to walk, and in just a few weeks, she'll be keeping up with her mother at 60 kilometers per hour. Licking helps strengthen their bonds. They will remember each other's scent and sounds, vital for life in the herd, where it's easy to become separated. But the most prolific player in this African baby boom is the wildebeest. More than 300,000 are dropped in the space of a few weeks. All are desperate to find their feet. Among them, a little boy, just minutes old, already staggers around his mother. His life will be a never-ending march, and to survive, his only defense is to run. Birthing is a dangerous time for any mother, but herd animals have an inherent advantage, even in the South American Andes. When a guanaco is incapacitated, she knows other members of the group will be on the lookout for danger. Her thick fur needs to dry out to protect her from the freezing Andean winds. For all babies, the first few weeks are the most critical. They have a lot to learn about survival, and there are dangers everywhere. Guanaco enemy number 1, the puma. But she's spotted by a sentinel.